Good morning, guys. It's another Walmart video. I just dropped my little button head off at school this morning, and I was like, there's some really good deals that I want to share with you guys that were not in my video. Well, one of the deals was, it's just a deal I'm gonna do on repeat because that's how life is. Life is repeats. And so there are some deals I'm gonna share with you guys that are new, again, that I didn't get to put in my video from yesterday. The greatest thing about this haul, you guys, it'll be small, but the greatest thing about it is that literally I'm only using one coupon, and that's this one right here, the Clorox one that I'm about to literally clip right now. This is the only coupon that I'm using. Everything else is digital. We're gonna be using all of the apps, I think, practically, you guys. I actually created a small little Google Doc, which I rarely ever do Google Docs for those short hauls, but so let's see. I'm gonna be using Ibotta, coupons.com, Alexa, Shopmium, Swagbucks, Checkout 51, Shopkick, Brand Club, and Fetch Rewards. So I'm using almost all of them. We're gonna get over $100 worth of product, you guys, for less than $2. So if you want to see what deals I'm gonna grab today, keep on watching. So this first deal is on the Clorox disinfecting mist. It's priced at $5.28. For this deal, I'm gonna grab 4 of them. I'll be using this $2 coupon right here from our inserts, which will bring the total down to paying $13.12 out of pocket. But we'll get back $8 on Ibotta, which is $2 for each one. We'll also get back $6 on Swagbucks. I'm making it all 4 free plus an 88-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the Lysol laundry sanitizer. It's priced at $6.97. I was initially going to grab just 2 of these, but I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4 of them. I do have a rebate on Fetch Reward that is, I think it's spend 20, get back $3.50. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4 of them. For this, my total is going to come to $27.88, but we'll get back $6 on Ibotta, $1.50 on coupons.com for one of them, $1.50 on Alexa for one of them, and then $16 on Swagbucks, plus that $3.50 on Fetch Reward, making all 4 bottles free plus a 62-cent moneymaker, which is so awesome. Now, I'm kind of low-key tempted to submit for the other 2 on, at least one of them on Shopmium, which will give me back another $1.50, so we'll see how it works out. Deal is on the Clorox bleach. This is the smaller bottles. They are the 43-ounce bottles. They're priced at $3.58. So for this deal, I'm going to grab 2 of them. I'll pay $7.16. Now, I do have 2 different rebates on Swagbucks. One is $3 back when you buy 2. One is $4 when you buy 2. So I was thinking I'll get the one that's 3 when you buy 2. And then $1.25 for each on Checkout 51. We'll make these only 83 cents each. Now, I'll probably go ahead and try for both of them on Swagbucks and see which one picks up. And so, yeah, but if it's the $3 one, it'll make these 83 cents each, which is definitely not bad. Okay, this other deal that I wanted to grab is on the Weathers Originals Caramel Popcorn. These are priced at $2.98. You'll pay $5.96 out of pocket, but get back $4 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. And then you'll also get back 75 cents for each on Checkout 51. I'm making them only 23 cents per bag. I had to dig for these 2 bags. Otherwise, I would totally be getting 4 of these. Guys, so it is like, it's terrible over there. On this aisle, there's a bunch of people over there, and half of the freaking aisle is out of stock. So we're gonna record this clip over here on the Mucinex. It's on the Mucinex night shift. I'm hoping that this one will work because it's a multi-pack, but it is night shift as well. So I'm gonna grab 1 of each. These are priced at $13.46. They're both on Brand Club, and I do have surveys for them. I think one is $1.50 and one is 75 cents. And so we're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll pay $26.92. We'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. We'll submit for $2 on coupons.com for one, $2 on Alexa for the other, and then we'll get back $3 for each on Checkout 51. And then, what else? And then we're getting back $10 on Swagbucks for buying 2. Plus, there's this mail-in rebate. I don't think it's a mail-in rebate, but I've already gone to the website. Let me pull it up for you guys really quick. Where you submit a receipt, you get back $5. It is a limit of 1 per email address and phone number, so I'm probably going to do one for me and one for Joseph, because I'm going to get this one as well in a separate transaction. So we'll do the mail-in rebate as well for this, and so it's going to bring this total to absolutely free, plus a $4.33 moneymaker on these 2 items. Now I'm also going to be grabbing this one here. This is the Mucinex Sinus. This is one of the cheaper ones that I could find. It's priced at $12.28. I'll get back $2 on Ibotta, $3 on Checkout 51, $3 on Swagbucks, $2 on ShopMium. There's also a rebate on Shopkick for 710 kicks. I'm actually probably going to try to submit that one as well. I'm not sure if it'll work, but I'll try and let you guys know how that works out. Alright, but for this one, we're getting back $2.84 from Shopkick, and then I have a brand club survey for 50 cents, and then of course the $5 rebate as well, which will make this a $6.06 moneymaker. So I'm going to do this on one transaction, and then this one on another, and see if I can submit for both the $5 cashbacks, and then also submit one to each of my Shopkick accounts, and see how it works out. Alright, the last thing I'm going to grab is going to be the Zicam again. It's priced at $10.74. So for this, I'm going to grab a total of 2 of these. I'll end up paying $21.28 out of pocket, but getting back $15 on Tada, $2.50 times 2 on Checkout 51, and $1 for each on Ibotta, making this a 72-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. So I will still do a video for you guys for my my weekend bonus. It's just I don't know how many of these deals are still going to be good till I do my video on Saturday. And so I want to kind of just give you guys a little jump start on some of these awesome deals. And so the only thing I didn't go over in the video, I think, was probably the Pepsi Cola. Now with this deal, it is on Ibotta, get back $1. These are $2.18. And then it's also on Shopkick, get back $1.50. It just popped up this morning for me. And I only found one of the soda shop ones, and I was going crazy looking for some more, and the cashier was like, well, just scan this one 5 times. And I was like, are you serious? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, oh, okay. She was like, I'm pretty sure it'll be okay. And so that's what I did, y'all. And that's why you only did see one of them, is because that's what I did on that. So it basically made those a 32-cent moneymaker for each one, or $1.60 moneymaker for all 5 of them on that deal. The Pure Life, it worked out perfectly fine for that, you guys. I did get back $1.80 for each of them. I submitted for both my Shopkick accounts, and I did do them on separate receipts as well. What else? I think that's basically it. Okay, so submitting for this rebate, you guys, I will have a link for you guys, by the way. It was a bit of a hassle. Like, it kept saying that my file was too big. And so what I ended up doing is I ended up taking a picture of my receipt and then screenshotting that and cropping it. And that went through perfectly fine. So the first time I did it, I don't know if it really went through. It said it did, but it didn't seem... It wasn't the same as when the second one went through. When the second went through, I got the little pop-up that said it should take 24 hours to get an email. And so if I don't hear anything back in the next 24 hours for the first receipt that I submitted, I'll definitely put an email in or whatever to customer service. But as far as this deal ended up being sweet, you guys, like, this deal was so freaking sweet. And so basically with the night shift ones, that ended up being a $7.27 moneymaker. I did submit that on Shopkick, and then I did this one on a separate transaction and also submitted that one on Shopkick as well. And with the $5 back, it made that one a $6.06 moneymaker. So this is a deal you definitely don't want to sleep on. I kind of low-key wish there were coupons for them, but I didn't have any. Other than that, on the Clorox, wasn't sure if I would get back the $3 for the Clorox or the $4 one. I went ahead and tried both of them, and the $4 one went through. So it made that an even better deal than I thought. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it for this haul. Everything you see here retails $138.62. I only had $8 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $130.62. We got back a whole boatload, you guys, for this haul. We got back $27.10 from Ibotta. The 10-cent was for the cough drop one. It worked for the Mucinex. And then we got back $3.50 from coupons.com, Alexa, and Shopmium. And that was because we submitted for one of the Lysols and one of the Mucinex for all three of those apps. And then we got back $28 from Tada, $18 from Checkout 51, $12.88 from Shopkick, $2.75 from Brand Club, $11.39 from Fetch Reward, and then hopefully the $10 cash back. I'm assuming it'll go straight to PayPal. When I went to the email address right there, it said it was one per name, address, and phone number, but there was no point in submitting my receipt that it actually asked me for an address or a phone number, so it's just your email address. And so yeah, so that ended up being a really, really sweet deal. Other than that, you guys, we got back a total of we got back a total of $150.62 in rebates, you guys, making everything you see here free plus $20. That was crazy, right? It was $20 even. Look, exactly. Retail was $138.62 minus the $8 in coupons, $130.62, and then we got back a total of $150.62. Isn't that crazy? So it was exactly a $20 moneymaker, which is so awesome. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, I'll see you next video. Thanks.